Hi students, today we will do the another exercises of poem 6 and the name of the poem is Trains and in previous video we saw the meaning words, MCQs, true, false and fill the blanks, and now we go for question 2b, it is complete the poem. And here is complete the poem and it is on the page number 53 of your Marigold textbook. You have to complete the poem. Some words in the line are missing and you have to write those words in the bracket, in the blank. Number 1, over the, here the missing word is mountains and you have to complete, you have to write this word from your textbook page number 53. Mountains, you have to write mountains in the first line. Second, over the second line we complete by plains, that in second line the missing word is plains. And number 3, over the rivers, here the missing line is rivers. And number 4, dash the trains means here come, here the missing words are here and come. So these all missing words you have to write from your textbook page number 53. You have to complete this by yourself from the textbook. And now we go for the next exercise. And here is question 3a, that poetry comprehension. Read the poem and answer the questions. Here poems, 1 or 2 stanza of poems given to you and you have to read the poem very well, and after that you have to attempt the questions given in the paper or in the notebook. So let's read the stanza of the poem. And here is the third stanza of the poem that we take for comprehension, that thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. So we understood the summary of this stanza or poem in the previous video, and now we go for the questions from this stanza. And here are blanks from the stanza, that number 1, dawn means early. Dawn means early morning. Morning is the answer. Number 2, the trains run through day and darkness. Here we find 2 words, day and darkness, in the stanza. And darkness means night and day means day. Number 3, freight cars means wagons that carry goods. We understood this word meaning in previous video. And number 4 is the rhyming word of on is dawn. Here we have to find the rhyming word of on and it is dawn from the stanza. So these 4 blanks that we find the answer, and and now we go for the next exercise. And here is question 3b, that short question answers. Number 1, what are the precious loads that they carry? Here they means passengers. What are the precious loads means valuable things क्या है जो passengers carry करते हैं, जो वो उठाते हैं. Answer, they carry important papers, luggages and gold, silver, etc. Passengers have these things like important papers, luggage and gold, silver, etc. in their bag, which are very precious and they are very valuable that they carry in the train. Number 2 is write the rhyming words from the poem. Here we have to make a list of rhyming words from the poem. So the answer is plains. The rhyming word of plains is trains, mail, fill and on and dawn. So these 3 pairs of rhyming words that we find from the poem. So these 2 short question answers of the poem, and you have to read all the exercises and all the questions very well, and you have to repeat these questions in your notebook. Thank you.